Francis Swan doing a river rafting without a raft. And this is my co-host, Dopey. Okay, what are you doing?
Jackass!
Okay, as you can see, he's moving his shirt. And my god, is he doing a stretching? Stretching up! Yeah, you make it inverted.
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 What inverted?
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Don't worry about the snake. This is Francis doing a jackass story. Excuse me. What is your last words?
Good luck!
You don't need luck. You have guts. Isa. Okay, go. I can't look. Babaw kayo.
Uy! Sakto kayo ba?
Ay, sakto. Ay, sakto. Mabaw ang tubig?
Kailangan ba? No!
Sure. Pag sure. As you can see, it is going through Taguluan River and going to CDO City. Ryan, goodbye.
We're going to the moon!
We're going to the moon. Okay na? What can you say? You have let it gut. You have a lot of guts. Sino ka?
Again?
What can you say about the rapids?
Okay. That I will die.
If you will try that rapid, you will die. But if you try that going upstairs, I think, my god,
Can't do it.
I'm out of language.
Otro.